Jones, Dipset, Bird Gang, bitch. You know what it is. When you see me, too tall with me, homie. That's right. You fuck niggas keep 999 and these have some integrity, bitch. For being 1090 out here. You smell me? Peace, blood, peace almighty. We all thugs and we run the streets nightly. And get my lawyer. Why? Cause I ain't copping out. And I fuck with B-boys that bring the choppers out. One shot of that, I had the boys bring the cops out. And we ballin', borrowing toys is what we hopping out on my fairy side. Where we ride, and we all fly high in the land G5. So, twist your fingers up and bang, motherfucker, bang. Get your money up, it's Kane is what we fucking slang. And 9 Trey is what I fucking claim. Is Dipset, Capital, the dawn of the Bird Gang.
They thought the Digo dub wasn't really tripping, cuz 21-20 clips and all of us is gripping good. We from a different street, all got that different heat. But when we move and match with game, cuz we on the same beat. So if you fuck with blood, then you fuck with us. And we ain't bustin' duds, cuz we bustin' slugs. Be sure to stay in touch and clean your mess up. And if you from the West Coast, my nigga,
Game got at me about the remixes to honor my nigga. I made rap one blood, y'all say I'm signing with Jigga. I got rappers getting mad at me here. I got these new jack rappers trying to clap at me. I got these corny wannabe diss song kings on the radio talking about how they gon' spray and take me away. But I'm the true living legend, I'm not to be questioned. How your whole hood politics about my progression.
I'm an attitude shit, okay. Only above 50, so I keep the Smithers with me. Shit coming to keep it, what you scared? I'm prepared in the mall and all with 2 twos. You can call me quick draw. I'm a cut the fool, better call the law. I start spraying, make fuck niggas all the dog. I press play like fuck, no pause at all. Chop a hole in all the walls, is all they saw.
Hip hop ain't dead, it just took a couple shots. I'll bring it back to life, give it a couple shots. The king coming, no I'm not Jay-Z. Too many niggas hate me, but they scared to face me. This ain't a movie, dawg, no, not waist deep. I'm not an actor, but I show your bitch big meat. She giving one blood, one love, own dubs, 140,000 the first week. Remix, 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 remix. All these niggas want front trail with them stiff faces, till them niggas lying still up in stiff cases with them styrofoam in the bombing fluid. I've been calm too long, and I'm down to lose it. Somebody go and get this nigga a pine box, and I ain't just talking about a measly 9 shots. Yeah, I'm chopper happy, and my wrist loose. Call me Goldie, I smack your bitch too.
504 gangster, New Orleans soldier, banging underwater, fuck around and soak ya. Louisiana gunner, I'm out my holster. And if you getting greasy, I'm an Osa. I'm big and back, being bull on the east side of New Orleans, where the blood's at the beehive. Ain't nothing sweet unless it's presidential, cause that is where I sleep. Now give me my key.
New York, get the blood money. Still sweet, me with Black Wall Street by the swap meet with heat. Def Jam, they gon' flop 'em. Reggaeton ain't hot in the building no more. It's okay, I get it poppin'. Back to the forest trees for teeth. These little me's who took my leave as an opportunity to breathe. And you ain't gotta go overseas to see our rap shit. We gon' come to left rap Queens and get jacked quick.
One blood, used to the spilling. Came from the hood, so we used to the killing. Used to the black males making crack sales in the building. How else you get the bins with the suede on the check, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm strapped, you strapped, let's play 2 on 2. Let's go. Your INS and the iron bus. Leak ya, 2 liters of red juice, Hawaiian punch. So what you boys gonna do to me? I'm Born Street, your life sweet, MTV's Laguna Beach. Mama told me not to play with fire, but she never told me I would grow to be a lighter.
One love to the gangs, put them in the thing. Say the fellas for the car, see we kill for the fame. The boss made it, yeah we floss flagrant. Shame how I lost your life savings up in Las Vegas. I'm a heavy better, I'm a heavy seller. Keep white in the office, call it Jerry Heller. Letting off 100 rounds, let the barrel pick. And we gon' sit here and wait for the Daryl Gates.
Shy got lords and gangsters, show me where them niggas at. Shy got 2 6s and kings, show me where them killers at. Shy got them ballers and hustlers, show me where them figures at. Game where them triggers at, aim at them fitted caps. He got the clips, I got the scope, let's get them choppers, nigga. He got the kush, I got the dope, let's get it poppin', nigga. Hurt him in that cherry 6-4, shit ain't no stopping, nigga. Hit him in the head and the body with a bullet, put him in the cemetery, then I gotta holler out.
Remix, 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 remix. What up,
Yeah, rolling with 2 rips, glaucoma on the hip, rolling with 2 clips. Got 2 tiny locusts ready to take trips. Shake and make trips, hot stakes to take grips. They know what's cracking cuz as we huddle, they hold cards down, nigga, like spades and pinochle. West Coast gang bang, riders are racing them. Got funny niggas raising up and riders replacing them cuz.
Drake the blue, the Tropic is gangsta crew. R.I.P. for niggas who don't stay true. Deep down in the crevices, see them checks bellowing. Dwelling in the land of the gang bang profession. I'm legendary, yes, a West Coaster. Throwing up 2 C's with 2 guns and my holster. I'm from Long Beach City, a grip next to Compton. Down on my nigga game if your niggas want problems. From the streets to the suites, anywhere we can meet. Hell, I'm on the content, Slaucy and swap me. Worldwide, get swept away by the tide. YGs and BGs, OGs, it's on the ride.
Who the rider moving through the gutter lane? Trued up in them Carolina blue hurricanes. From the west side, sagging and denim. When them killers throw that 3rd letter up like Raymond Washington and Tricky Williams. Blue jeans, blue strings, blowing blueberry green. Cadillac on blue D's and a blue tee. Money figures, blue cheese, chucking up the dub. What would a West see without Snoop and Dub sneaking one blood?
Bay Area, bumpers we pop 'em. Open you up if you got a problem. Up top, Northern California. Clean your clock, open your can of tuna. Make the choices, either hell or it's heaven. Get your chest ate out with the FN57. This ain't action to do with nobody in the yay. Ain't nothing to do but catch bodies.
Remix, 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 remix.
I'm coming straight up out of B-18 like Compton in all black. But when we say what it do, they never say holla back. Punk Peter, I'm OG like 95 Air Max. Neon green out of Flight Club off of Fairfax. Ask the hundreds, it's doable, I'd have done it at the summit of rap. And I'm watching you haters plummet. Run to it or run from it to bun it, don't differ. Wipe the streets with you like you a swiffer as a gift of one
Real as yours that is breathing and I ain't gotta give a reason. Millionaire, y'all competing to be competing. My purpose is to get the cheese and that's a purpose that you're defeating. So shut your mouth, have a seat and be quiet till I'm finished eating. My label tells me that I'm greedy, hogging all the room on your TV. Like Eric, they think it's easy, but it isn't easy, believe me. Need to make a room in PE television if you wanna beat me. Dave said he made room for Cheesy, I had to make room for me, G.
It's one blood if your blood a cuz. From that number 1 thug, it's still one love. I rep my blue boy team, but I do it for green. I do it for my folks, Spice Lords and Kings. All the trappers, future rappers standing out on the blocks. Trying to get up out the hood, man, and stack them a knot. Put your sets in the ass, scream fuck the cops. We gon' rep for the hood, man, like it or not.
My feet, possible, murders are catastrophic. Cause is improbable, I'm overcoming obstacles. Trapping, I made it logical. My topic is impossible. Plotting ain't shoestring, it's shot real possible. Short meat, poppable, cars be tropical. All guns choppable, all blocks are mobbable. I'm unstoppable, my calico is tossable. Lyrically diabolical, cushion is not cigar
Red rum, such power in the tongue. Never in the wild, was he talking to them? Style on nigga,
gave you my celebrated presence, like the return of Grateful. Frolic in the snow, so playful, and reviving the track like we flowing through jumper cables. What duo, you know, get double XL kudos, while copping off Julio. Yeah, classic shit, nasty this, Left for Dead, I'm back, I'm Lazarus.
Nigga, one trip, one blood, LA, New York, the gang, the rule, one love, guns up, hands down, can't touch the flow. It's a bit much, the style, wanna keep up. I'd advise you to speed up. With money moving like coke these days, gotta re-up, G up, cop some heaters and dare nigga to act up. You see us in dual seaters and throw it up. It's all hood, niggas rep your sets if your cuz up. Niggas, we all bleed. These niggas can't breathe on me because the guns are drawn and named upon niggas that got bullets with names on them. Want them? Come get them, niggas. Y'all know where to get at me. Look at me, not past me. Maybe you can be half me. You bastards, I'm laughing. Water's thicker than family, but sadly gets torn between one crip and one. Y'all niggas know me. Yeah.
One blood.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name of Cassidy, Mr. Hip Hop. And I put this song together for my city, Philly. Mayhem music. We making history. Let's get it. We from the gutter, filled with nothing but thugs. A bunch of convicted felons that selling nothing but drugs. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of Beverly slugs. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of Beverly slugs. Homicides, home invasions, ain't no bitch in they blood. And they high off syrup, pills, liquor, and bud. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of Beverly slugs. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of Beverly slugs.
Not the nigga that you should start with. I drink that liquor, you can start your car with him. Smoking high, then the stalls get. Chewing perks, I up the doses in the milligrams. Get sniped for real, Cypress Hill, how I kill a man. Damn. Money, well, I still a plan as always. The crack building 30 shooters in my hallway. The Vic all gray, bombed out with Rican ball. Cash throw the work up in the bag, it's time to eat
Niggas
some more.
rather have they shit strapped than to leave with a shit pack. Break him off for pieces, leave him in Kit Kat. Find him where the hoes be, rest with a piss at. Tighten his whole head, he'll leave with a chin strap. Hate the C's, hate the D, niggas can't hate the G. 36, well some niggas ain't make it to see. And they'll bake up the key, but they make it to be. They be working with them boys, them niggas safe as a key.
Philly niggas cocky, niggas still on our swag. Always carry 40s, kill niggas with mags. Potato on a barrel, niggas flexing with cash. I air it at your face till your brains turn to mash. Dad, what these fucking niggas talking about? Philly, we the hardest niggas fucking rocking out. Kill beef with murder, we don't talk it out. Homicide laws, Philly niggas spark it out.
Hey, listen, I pop that gat like I'm slightly retarded. It's like my body here, but my upper flight is departed. Think twice, get a coffin. You don't wanna be a target, you just wanna make rap songs. You don't wanna get it started. Couple racks to a shooter, put your head on the market. Hit your legs with the chopper, now you walk with a walker. Okay, now Philly in the building, yeah, you heard of us, we murder us. Illadale, 215, nigga, that's turbulence.
March Madness, Chris Stephen A. Smith and Skip Belly. New nigga in town with the birds, Chip Kelly. Before we break them down, it's a line in front of the deli. Before the show's over, a line in front of the telly. Put them down, hit them up, hit them up. Fuck niggas wanna do now. Run around with a double barrel. One shot, that's two down. Commissary for the lifers. I hold my crew down. Fucking informants, I hate them. Type niggas we shoot down.
Yeah, it's them Philly cats. We ain't with that silly rap. Northwest, Southside, you don't need no city map for years. And tied rap, game been rotten, piggyback. With the deuce, but this ain't pity pat. Where a nigga rather slug you than hug you. You get money, I can't get none with you than fuck you. It's just part of the struggle. It's just part of the hustle, part of the game, but partners, cause we start trouble.
They said black gon' rap about the drugs he got, watch. But I'm a D-boy from the block, so fuck it, why not? Cooking up is what I do to ball and make a living. On my spare time, I'm counting racks and loading pistols. Try and rob me, niggas tried and they died for it. Ride around with no license and a 9 on me. Trapping hard, blowing loud in the meanwhile. The work running out of my neck on speed dial. Yeah.
High off syrup, you ride with the sheriff. You call a wife, but the whole hood sheriff. Big Bears, Philly, didn't mean to scare ya. My young bulls run the city, their area. Heard you was scared to come back home. Nigga call OBH, we the backbone. North Philly, South Philly, keep gas on. Uptown to Frankfurt, my clout that strong.
Yeah. We from the gutter, filled with nothing but thugs. A bunch of convicted felons that selling nothing but drugs. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of Beverly slugs. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of Beverly slugs. Homicides, home invasions, ain't no bitch in they blood. And they high off syrup, pills, liquor, and bud. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of Beverly slugs. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of Beverly slugs. What?
Perk 30s in his system. Charlie, I could taste the lean when I kissed them. Court refusing to dismiss him, so we might as well cook in the streets and the kitchen. He had coupling on smash, 800 in the stash, 1 point something all in cash, but 80 on the dash, so them lights started to flash. Pulled them over off the E-way, gun in his trues, pocket full of blues, unlawed by the citizens. So long story short, no, that nigga made a move, so that nigga made the news.
Philly, Pennsylvania, city of brotherly slugs. Give your brother hit the funeral, give your mother a hug. They gave your brother them slugs, cause they gave his ass a brick and he ain't bring back a dub. The city of Bean, city of E, city of Meek, city of Cash, shout out to Root, shout out to Tariq, city of Kevin Hart, the city where it shines, but nigga forever doubt, them nines forever spark, get outlined to chop, city of Will Smith, the city where I'm the king, Gilly, that's real shit. Fuck all the haters, don't feel this. I roll with gorillas, my niggas some killers. Yeah.
I'm from Ladderville, Pennsylvania. You got your mind made up. I bet the pistol will change it, a Lone Ranger. I dare one of you niggas to play Tonto and get a feather put in your cap, nigga pronto. My team lean so you can't lead a purple round them. Get them out of town niggas, I run circles round them. So many crack cells, my niggas strap well. Watch your body in the city of the crack bell.
Ride round in that Crown Vic, strapped up, shit bombed out. Got the word, niggas hiding out, so we bring the beef to your mama house. Shots through the screen door, lay your loved ones down on the clean floor. Put a tool in their mouth like root canals, knock them all off execution style. My niggas in the streets, and them snitches, they be telling on us, brother doing life. He got Nelson Mandela numbers. I just sent the kite and put money on his JPay. Run up on a nigga with their AK like it's payday.
Gotta stay high while I survive in the city where the little niggas die. No, it's the city where the little niggas ride. Clap that, sit you in that chrome pistol, hit your snap back. All we do is get high, fuck bitches and money count. Pop a perk, drop an eighth into a 20 ounce. About what regardless, always sling his hair on. Got fiends on good D, like they stopped the offense. Yeah, we plot, get the drop on target. Shots, drop the body, Paul Bearer, drop the coffins. No bitch in my blood, keep staring like you a goon. Let a clip full of helium, air you like a balloon.
Philly boy, best believe I get it, boy. S-Pain, South Patch on my chest, I live it, boy. Livers like punches, dab, stack back that pretty foot. Oh, you got them drummers, boys, I'm from Philly with bigger toys. Wanna be with cats, I be acting up. On about 22nd Street, back it up. Niggas start beefing, niggas time to clamp it up. Get you with them niggas when it ain't fast enough. Philly boy, best believe I get it, boy. South Pain on my chest, I live it, boy.
Scott, I be blazing the chrome. Strapping 2 tacks, the bullet suplex niggas, Razor Ramon. I hang with pit bulls, you want me sick them pets on them. Send them to the ER, the doctor said he checked on them. Groupie bitches give me dumb brain. I just give them lock jaws and leave they face with cum stains. I'm from Philly, bodies drop on the regular. Fuck the corner shit, we sellin' rocks off the cellular. I'm a cowboy, Jerry Jones, and I don't box, but I'll box your fucking head off, Larry Holmes. Deuce in my Timberland, I stay getting away with murder, they call me Zimmerman. Lamborghini color cinnamon, I'm all about them Benjamins, and I don't believe in banks like Dominicans. I got a big 9, we them ladder boys, the clip longer than a wick line.
We from the gutter, filled with nothing but thugs. A bunch of convicted felons that selling nothing but drugs. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of brotherly slugs. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of brotherly slugs. Homicides, home invasions, ain't no bitch in they blood. And they high off syrup, pills, liquor, and bud. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of brotherly slugs. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of brotherly slugs. I come from where them chicks that treat your dick like it's a lollipop. You get a lot of guap, you get that sloppy top. Nobody don't karate chop, them shotties chop. Pop lead off cause they reckless. When your body drop, they'll probably chop your head off of that necklace. Respect it, it's a lot of cops, but they body cops like fuck the law. Them DAs, them COs, and them POs, yo fuck them all. It's some bad bitches in my city, and I fuck them all. But the only girl that I'm fucking raw, like crazy times, my baby mine. I committed crazy crimes, been to jail like crazy times. But fuck a rap beef, I don't need nothing else on my rap sheet. I put that work, ballin' out like an athlete. So freaks flirtin', see me in person and start twerking they ass cheeks. I smash beats, they ain't even the question. I'm rolling Dowie and rolling off that Molly Justin Bieber complexion. And yo, my flow is so dope, if you need an injection, all you gotta do is hit my jack. I bought my city back. We from the gutter, filled with nothing but thugs. A bunch of convicted felons that selling nothing but drugs. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of brotherly slugs. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of brotherly slugs. Homicides, home invasions, ain't no bitch in they blood. And they high off syrup, pills, liquor, and bud. This for my Philly, Pennsylvania, city of brotherly slugs. Philly, Pennsylvania, city of brotherly slugs. What? Ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name of Cassidy, Mr. Hip Hop, and I put this song together.
Touch it, bring it,
Ayo,
pay
Swiss.
it, watch it,
We done created another epidemic for the street, nigga. Just when y'all thought it was safe to poke your head out again. Let's go!
I know you thought we was finished.
Yeah. Flat mouth, bitch. Yeah.
Net.
Yeah. Street sweet.
We about to do it again. We about to do it again.
Hey yo, just imagine if they cut the lights off in the club. Get low, Banks.
Who you know that got a flow this sick? Pump shotty, nobody can hold his clip. Them hoes iron, they probably own my dick. Chocolat'll look good in my all white.
Turn it up.
And you know I stay with the skets, you don't even try. Kiss your ass bye-bye, you be alone in the sky. And the first human being that can learn how to fly. And I'll be low with a BM on my way out of ride. I know it feels like I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back chinchilla ice on with a fitted. Everybody talk money, everybody done really that ball bread small in the arm.
Turn it up.
And you know I'm doing my thing, it's blue in the rain. If you had it like this, you probably do it the same. But you won't, cause you broke, all you do is complain. After the club, I'ma put a few in the range and let them
touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it.
Anything that's took, it's gonna be a breakdown. Come through like, what I'm gonna take now, whatever the fuck I want. Trust me, dog, it gets ugly when it comes to the hunt. Niggas like stunt you in the front, I'ma hit you in your man, and I'ma hit you in your stand. Niggas ain't built for nothing, but frontin' come through like it's hit the security. My head, like that do, what that do, how that do. Fuck you, faggot, I shot at you. And what, you and your man, fuck you in your man's truck. Put your hands up and get it up. You know how this shit go, let that shit go. Ain't nothing changed, been the same from the get-go. Get up out that window, ain't gon' tell you again. Fuck it, say hello to my little friend.
Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, stop,
Get low,
format
X.
it.
This is the monster, X the beast. Fucking with bust, every day is a beast. Stay off the streets, tired of talking to y'all niggas. I'ma stick a fork in y'all niggas. When I hit 'em, man, that truck come get 'em, man. Fuck the hot dead 'em, man. But ain't no remorse for the corpse. Two feds can't hide the body, nigga. Two feds.
Get low, Mary.
Baby, you can guess who it is. Mary J. Blige, I'm about to handle my biz. I'm on my grown woman, still I rep for the kids in every hood. And all my people doing a bid.
Now you know who's really the queen, deliver the mail. 730,000 first week of my sales. The haters plot and they watch looking all pale. While I'm on a yacht overseas doing my nails.
Get low, Mary.
Well, let me show you how we do. I gotta thank everyone for copping the breakthrough. Bust did take one, the remix is take two. You love the way we reinventing how we just stay new.
How we selling out the stadiums, arenas and all. Only Louis and Gucci, we don't shop at the mall. Got you partying and dancing and having a ball. And you're loving the way we reppin' how we do it for y'all. Go ahead and
touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop.
Is it any women in here? Like it when I be spanking them and pulling their hair. It's a freak in your presence, I'm just making it clear. Letting you all know if you wasn't aware. Get your hands up in the air if you're ready to go. Come through your city and I murder the show. I'm the truth, weighing the problem if you didn't know. Get up right in your face and holler Neo. Show you what you wanna do. I ain't got time to deal with your attitude. This suit was designed to get you in the mood. Tryna do something nasty with you and your crew. I'm a freaky little brother with a whole lot of loot. The boy working with something and I'm kinda cute. Watch the way I do it, how I turn it out. Guarantee you'll be trying to pull my
touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it.
Poos, had to get on this club banger, smack you in your mouth, make you swallow your pump razor. Pop a couple bottles, laugh about it with bust later. Bear witness, I'm the young savior. Got Staten Island on my pinky, Queens on my thumb, dude. The Bronx on my middle finger, screaming fuck you. Rock ice in Manhattan, so they the ring finger. You know I had to keep Brooklyn on the trigger finger. 5 boroughs of death, you don't understand. I got New York City in the palm of my hand. Now I can make a tight fist and let it crumble ridiculous, or I can smack the world with a New York lyricist. I grip the mag and get the clapping. If it happens, rip his shaggy, split his back and lift his hat. I'm getting at him. Pick up a different magnum, then attack him. When I grab him, triggers blasting with a passion, get it cracking, the assassin. We let him.
Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it.
Get low, digga.
See me rolling up in your hood. These jokers screaming, damn right, still be looking good. They do they little Mac, be asking me who I tap. Ain't none of your concern, you a G, make it happen. When I give a nigga some play, he losing his brain. Asking me a bunch of questions, acting like he my main. Wanna stretch a bitch out, telling me I done changed. I'm saying, damn, my bad, you fell for the game.
Get low, digga.
Now he's sitting there looking stuck. He thinking cause he spent the little dough, I'm gon' fuck. If money ain't a thing, I'm saying let a bitch know. Type to empty your account, how far you willing to go? Now we hopping on the jet, he ain't wasting no time. Told me all expense paid, any place I can find. Hit the islands in the winter, tricking all on his dime. Ain't a shorty in the world, cause he better than mine. They wanna
touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it.
But this is serious, man.
Get low, Missy.
Don't I look charming? Put your lips up on me. Kiss it, touch it, good. Yes, I wish you would. Come on, like to see me when I dip, baby dip. Don't it look like I got Beyonce hips? Looking like I could be like Nia Long. Boy, you smoking that Cheech and Chong. Have you ever seen thickness in a thong? You can hit it like a game of ping pong. If you give me 2 shots of Patron, nigga, bring it on, I might let you take it. Never so bust, misdemeanor in here. This year be clear, y'all best be weird. Fear MCs, y'all income here. I'm toxic, baby, like I'm Britney Spears.
Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it,
see me, you love me. The streets, they clear me out of the hood. You niggas is watching and wishing you could. Reclaiming the throne the way I got it. Lock it, motherfucker, what's good? You trying to stop it, I'm wishing you
Turn
would.
it up, cause then I'm black and hit you with the fact that the God is immortal with spit. The way I be doing historical shit. In case you when your niggas act like you ain't know when I'm informing your clip. I take your bitch while I'm performing my shit.
Get low, bud. As I was saying, niggas know I ain't playing. There's no more delaying. I'm coming and slaying the street with the heat. Now turn up the beat until you go deaf. I eat a nigga food till ain't nothing left.
Turn it up. Now the way I kill it is smash like I'm doing it for the TV. Respect it, you better get to saluting me when you see me. Lloyd Banks, Pat, Post, and Bust a Bust. Yeah, I'm greedy. I paint the illest picture for the hood like I do graffiti. So
touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it.
I ain't got no motherfucker.
That's why I fucked your bitch, you fat motherfucker. West Side, bad boy killers. You know who the realest is, niggas. We bring it to you. First off, fuck your bitch in the clique you claim. West Side, when we ride, come equipped with game. You claim to be a player, but I fucked your wife. We bust on bad boys, niggas fuck for life. Plus, Puffy tryna see me weak, hearts I rip. Biggie Smalls and Junior Mafia, some mark ass bitches. We keep on coming while we running for your juice. Steady gunning, keep on busting at the fools. You know the rules. Lil Caesar, go ask your homie how I leave you. Cut your young ass up, leave you in pieces. Now be deceased. Lil Kim, don't fuck around with real G's. Quick to snatch your ugly ass off the streets. So fuck peace. I let them niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the West Side ride the night. Bad boy murdered on wax and kill. Fuck with me and get your caps peeled. You know, see, grab your Glocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me but your pumps didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace. Nigga, I hit him up. Check this out, you motherfuckers know what time it is. I don't even know why I'm on this track. Y'all niggas ain't even on my level. I'ma let my little homies ride on you bitch made ass bad boy bitches. Feel.
Get out the way, yo, get out the way, yo. Biggie Smalls just got dropped. Little move past the mat and let me hit him in his back. Frank White need to get spanked right for setting traps. Little accident murderers, and I ain't never heard of ya. Poisonous cats attack when I'm serving ya. Spank the shank, your whole style when I gank. Guard your rank, cause I'ma slam your ass in the paint. Puffy weaker than the fucking block I'm running through, nigga. And I'm smoking Junior Mafia in front of you, nigga. With the ready power, tucking my gas under my Eddie Bauer. Your clout petty sour, I'll put packages every hour. Hit 'em up.
Grab your Glocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me but your punks didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace. Nigga, we hit 'em up. People, how we do it, keep it real. It's penitentiary steel. This ain't no freestyle battle. All you niggas getting killed with your mouths open. Tryna come up off of me, you in the clouds open. Smoking dope, it's like a Sherman. Niggas think they learn to fly, but they burn, motherfucker, you deserve to die. Talking about you getting money, but it's funny to me. All you niggas living bummy while you fucking with me. I'm a self-made millionaire. Thug living out of prison, pistols in the air. Biggie, remember when I used to let you sleep on the couch and beg a bitch to let you sleep in the house? Now it's all about Versace. You copy my style. 5 shots couldn't drop me. I took it and smiled. Now I'm about to set the record straight. With my AK, I'm still the thug that you love to hate. Motherfucker, I hit
I'm from NEW Jers with plenty murders occurs. No points of comments, we bring the drama to all you heard. Knuckle check the scenario. Little C's, I bring you fake G's to your knees. Copping please in these scenario. Little Kim, is you coked up or doped up? Little Junior Whopper click smoked up. What the fuck is you stupid? I take money, crashing and mashes through Brooklyn. When my click looting, shooting and polluting your block. With 15 shot, cock lock to your knot. Outlaw mafia click, moving up another notch. In your box top spots, get mopped and dropped. All your fake ass East Coast props brainstormed and locked.
User, beat fighter, a pop style taker. I tell you to your face, you ain't shit but a faker. So for the Alizé with a chaser, about to get murdered for the paper. Edie, I mean approach the scene of the caper. Like a loke, with low Caesar in a choke, toting smoke. We ain't no motherfucking joke, dog like nigga.
already knowin'. We approaching in a wide open gun smoking. No need for hoping it's a battle lost. I got 'em crossed as soon as the funk is popping off. Nigga, I hit 'em up.
Now you tell me who won. I see them, they run. They don't wanna see us. Whole Junior Mafia clique dressing up trying to be us. How the fuck they gonna be the mob when we always on our job? We millionaires. Killing ain't fair, but somebody gotta do it. Oh yeah, Mob Deep. You wanna fuck with us? You little young ass motherfuckers. Don't one of you niggas got sickle cell or something. You fucking with me, nigga, you fuck around, have a seizure or heart attack. You better back the fuck up before you get smacked the fuck up. That's how we do it on our side. Any of you niggas from New York that wanna bring it, bring it. But we ain't singing, we bringing drama. Fuck you and your motherfucking mama. We gon' kill all you motherfuckers. Now when I came out, I told you it was just about Biggie. Then everybody had to open their mouth with a motherfucker opinion. Well, this how we gonna do this.